Bitcoin trades above $30,000 levels and Ethereum trades below $2,000. MicroStrategy profits from Bitcoin investment stock rises 40%. Solana surges 10% ahead of the Android Saga launch. Terraport Finance exploited for $2 million barely 10 days after the launch. Proof launches exclusive NFT collections for the Moonbirds holders. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Manoj Dara. So, private virtual digital assets or the VDA markets were trading higher as investors eye key economic data releases for the clean insights into the Federal Reserve's rate hike trajectory going forward, which according to the CME Fed Watch has actually placed odds in the favor of the rate hikes. Bitcoin surpassed the crucial $30,000 mark. I will take you across the video wall and we will understand how this global cryptocurrency market is performing. If we talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 5.2% at 40,430 points. Ethereum's highly anticipated Shanghai upgrade, also called as the Shanghai Shapela hard fork, is set to occur, after which users will access to more than 33 billion worth of the Ethereum staked in the blockchain since December 2020 on the Beacon chain. So if we talk about the overall maths, it's like 18 million worth of the stake Ethereum plus 1.1 million of the rewards which they have received. So roughly around 19.1 million Ethereums will be unlocked as far as the Shanghai upgrade is concerned. However, Ethereum's dominance rate remains stagnant between 19% and 20% ahead of the Shapela upgrade. In an interesting news, Bitcoin outperforming the broader crypto market has become more dominant. According to data tracking platform TradingView, Bitcoin's dominance rate, which measures the largest cryptocurrency share of the total market valuation, rose to 48.5% earlier on Tuesday, the highest level seen since July 2021. So, in other news, Stacks, the blockchain platform, the promises which has actually promised to bring smart contracts to Bitcoin, has outperformed the majority of the market's top 50 altcoins. Interesting news. This increase in value has many investors wondering if the Stacks is set to become the next big thing in the blockchain industry. However, STX has recovered strongly, rising 10% in just 24 hours. The global crypto market cap was around $1.24 trillion, an increase of 4.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total market volume of the entire cryptocurrency industry increased by 70% to $50 billion. Meanwhile, the regulatory concerns and probability of which is weighing in the investor's mind going forward as well. In February, the US Securities and Exchange Commission alleged that the Ethereum staking services offered by the centralized exchanges amount to selling unregistered securities in the US. Further, talking about the Ethereum space, Lido, DAO and the Rocket Pool token gained positive momentum ahead of the Shanghai upgrade. So, data by the staking reward shows that the Rocket Pool has over 4,43,900 stake Ethereum, which is worth $887 million, with the Lido holds over 11 billion worth of the Ethereum, the reports have said. Investors will also be weighing the first wave of the quarterly earnings, with banking giants such as JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Citigroup scheduled to report results. That's what the entire industry keeping an eye on, these results as far as the banking financial crisis, on the back of the banking financial crisis is concerned. Analysts are expecting a largely sluggish quarter, particularly in the hard-hit financial services. So, if we talk about the US stock futures that have actually risen, as investors look forward the release of the economic data later this week, Dow Jones Industrial Average has actually shown an uptick of 39 points or 1.12%. S&P added 0.11% and Nasdaq 100 futures were marginally higher. Bitcoin was trading at $30,150, up 6.3%. As we have already mentioned, that Bitcoin has already surpassed the crucial zone of $30,000 for the first time since last June, and has set a new price high for 2023 as more and more institutional investors become involved in the crypto space. And if we talk about the retail investors and traders are anticipating insights into the Federal Reserve's fight against inflation from the United States Consumer Price Index report, which is scheduled to be released tomorrow, that is April 12th, which indicates the future price movement in the primary cryptocurrency space and is actually a dominant data wherein the traders and the other community will keep an eye on for the further cues. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was trading higher by 3.2% at $1,922. If we talk about the other altcoins on my left, is Binance BNB was up by 5.5% to trade at $330. Next on the list was Solana Sol, was higher by 10% and was trading at $22.4. Keep an eye on this news. Solana has peaked 10% and it has actually revealed the details of the release of Saga, an Android smartphone powered by the Solana blockchain, on April 13th. The phone is expected to let users mint their own NFTs from anywhere, accessing the wider Solana-based ecosystem of apps and projects. The swift rise of its left, which is nearly $2.7 million in liquidation, with more than 92% of the account to short positions, according to the CoinGlass. This is an important piece of information. Keep an eye on going forward. Next on the list is Cardano's ADA token, was up by 5.3% at $0.4. Avalanche AVAX was next and was trading at $18.4, higher by 4.5%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.5% at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading higher by 2.5% at $0.085. Next on the list was Shiba Inu, was trading higher by 1.7%. Ripple's XRP token was next on the list at $0.52, up by 3.6%. Keep an eye on this news. The Central Bank of Montenegro has collaborated with the blockchain solutions provider Ripple to develop a strategy and pilot program to launch the country's first digital currency in the form of the central bank digital currency, or the national stablecoin. The CBCG will work with the government of Montenegro and the Montenegro's academic to create a practical digital currency or secure currency solutions to test the main blockchain technology, functionality and potential. That's what the analysts have said. Last on the list was Polkadot, was trading higher by 4% at $6.4. The American software company MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin reserves, is now in profit on its cryptocurrencies bet. In its April 5th filing with the SEC, MicroStrategy said that during the period between March 24th and April 4th, the company and its subsidiaries purchased additional 1,045 Bitcoins worth $29.3 million. This took MicroStrategy's overall tally to about 140,000 Bitcoins acquired at an aggregate purchase price of about $4.17 billion at an average price of about $29,803 per coin. With this leading cryptocurrency soaring 6.2% over the past 24 hours and now trading at $30,108, this means that MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings are now worth more than $4.2 billion. MicroStrategy's shares closed at $312.78, marking a 7.82% increase over the close of the day. Notably, the stock has seen a remarkable growth of 40% in the last month. So Solana has enjoyed a hefty price surge, outperforming the rest of what is already a bullish market. Solana Sol has increased by 10.1% in the past day, reaching a monthly peak of $22.50 as per the CoinGecko data. The swift rise up also left nearly $2.7 million worth in liquidation, with more than 92% of its figures made up of the blown short positions, according to the CoinGlass. Another factor which is prompting excitement around Solana is the release of Saga, an Android smartphone powered by the Solana blockchain, on April 13th. The phone is expected to let users mint their own NFTs from anywhere and access the wider Solana-based ecosystem of apps and projects. Solana's team unveiled the Saga smartphones last year in June 2022, and it's expected to cost users $1,000. Terraport Finance, a decentralized finance platform on the Terra Classic network, has lost over $2 million worth of the digital assets through an exploit on its liquidity wallet. According to an announcement from the project's official Twitter handle, the Terraport team is still investigating the hack and trying to secure the protocol. The wallet hack comes barely 10 days after the Terraport was launched. The platform was created by the developer group of Terraport to rebuild the Terra Classic ecosystem by increasing the Luna Classic's burn rate. The breach of Terraport's liquidity wallet led to the loss of Luna and USDC tokens. The total amount lost remains uncertain as project's team is yet to release a detailed report on the hack. Proof, the Web3 startup behind the smash hit of the Moonbirds NFT collection, is launching its next digital art series, favoring its existing collectors. The new collection, Moonbirds Diamond Exhibition, will feature 10,000 digital artworks created by 22 artists, including Beeple, Daniels, and Terran Jones and Michelle. Those works will only be available, however, to Moonbirds holders who have achieved Diamond Net status by staking their NFTs with the company for a certain period of time. Now, let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Conflux price made a bullish breakout as the cryptocurrency industry was in a good mood. Its token CFX has reached a high of 0.44 cents, the highest level since March 29th. It has increased by more than 1,975% since January, making it one of the industry's best performers. Conflux has done well in recent months as investors applaud the network's expansion. The most significant announcement was that the developers had reached an agreement with China Telecom, a behemoth with millions of users. The company will use Conflux for its blockchain products, including an upcoming SIM card as the part of the partnership. The main reason for the increase in Conflux price is Binance's announcement that it will support mainnet integration. This means that after the migration is complete, Binance will support deposits and withdrawals for CFX token. These withdrawals will happen through the Conflux eSpace, Conflux Core Space, and BEP20. Conflux was trading at 0.43 cents, up 15.69% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Stacks, the blockchain platform that promises to bring smart contracts to Bitcoin, has outperformed the majority of the market's top 50 altcoins. While other cryptocurrencies struggled to make significant gains yesterday, the tide has shifted today as Stacks' native token soars to new heights. This increase in value has many investors wondering if Stacks is set to become the next big thing in blockchain technology. Stacks has recovered strongly at CoinGecko, rising 10% in just 24 hours. Stacks' current perception is generally positive, with a bullish bias among investors. According to recent assessment by Lunar Crush, there was a 95% increase in bullish sentiment between April 2nd and the time of the analysis. This indicates a strong interest in token and its potential for growth. Stacks was trading at 0.93 cents, up 9.65% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. On Tuesday, liquid staking tokens rose as investors awaited the upcoming Shapella upgrade to the Ethereum network. The most important Ethereum news this week will be the upcoming Shanghai upgrade on Wednesday. This upgrade will allow ETH investors to begin withdrawing their staked coins. According to staking rewards data, Ethereum worth more than $30 billion has been staked in both centralized and decentralized platforms. Lido has over $11 billion in ETH. As a result, most analysts believe that ETH market will experience increased volatility as investors begin to withdraw their funds. Additionally, Ethereum, like other cryptocurrencies, has increased by double digits this year. Lido was trading at $2.45, up 3.16% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $2 billion.
Thank you, Shikha, for the update. Well, that's all there is in this special bulletin. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting news and updates. Thank you.